something that I've done this week, so about a week out from your move, a good thing to start thinking about is taking some of your smaller pictures down off the wall. And you can collect them. This is a really easy and safe way to move smaller pictures. This is my laundry basket, and that I take to the laundromat. And so I've wrapped some of the more fragile pictures in bubble wrap or this stuff, whatever this is. And you can also use towels. Towels work really well, or just plain newspaper, newsprint, anything that would cushion a little bit. But I've taken them down and just kind of stacked them in here. It's going to be a really easy way to move them, and they won't be able to jostle around. I'll probably stuff a towel down in here just to make sure that they won't be able to move when they're in the car. So I've gone ahead and taken those down off the wall. My bigger pictures, however, like these over here, I'm going to go ahead and leave those on the wall until the day before or even the day of my move, because they're bigger, they have glass, they're more expensive, and I don't want them around all these boxes and everything where I'm moving around and moving boxes. So it's a safe and an easy enough place to leave them because they're easy to take down and then to take the nails out of the wall.